What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I got a really fast, short ride and review for you today. I'm going to meet the cake dealer for dinner at a little Szechuan restaurant by us called Kings County Imperial. From what I understand, there's a few locations, obviously Brooklyn, Kings County, but this one's over here at the foot of the Williamsburg Bridge, right on Delancey Street on the north side. So I'm basically there. So I figured I'd take the Chimera real quick. Got a new helmet on, you probably noticed. I got my HJC V31 helmet on, giving it a try today, first time. I got the shaded, tinted drop-down visor on. Seems to be nice at blocking the wind, keeping my eyes from tearing up and watering when I accelerate. And it's not too dark where it would be dangerous at night. I have a clear one coming, hopefully. I placed an order. Hopefully they're not out of stock. Sometimes you don't know if they're out of stock until they go to fulfill your order, and then there's nothing on the shelves and they can't send anything. So I tried one or two times already at places and they were like, no, we don't have it, sorry, and they refunded me. So hopefully the clear drop-down visor will be in my possession in the next week or so, and I could swap this out. So this place is just up here on the right. Basically at Clinton Street. So I'm almost there. We ordered delivery from this place once and it was good, but there's so much on the menu that I want to try, and it looks like a cool setup inside. Like the decor is real wood panels and like 80s, 70s, 80s throwback, Chinese restaurant throwback. So I'm psyched. And it looks like I got some space here to lock this bad boy up. And here we go. Ooh, dead bird. Kings County Imperial. I'll see you guys on the inside. Cheers. Good? Wow. I thought that was like going to be an appetizer. This is like a main course almost. Yeah, these are no joke portions. Shiny.
Very
Shrimp
American.
Toast.
American dish.
Yeah. Oh, noodles.
Det finns inte ett trådlöst system som fungerar i vattnet. Men de håller på med det.
All right, Kings County Imperial. I would say a few real big winners, big hits. Like when we started off with, everything came out really fast, which is good in a one way, but it's also bad in that the table's really small. So a lot of shit just didn't fit on the table. But Cocktails were great. Really enjoyed the cocktails we had there. I had a Midori sour that was not too sweet. Usually a Midori, that melon flavored liqueur, is awfully sweet, but this one was just right. They did it almost even without the Midori liqueur. They kind of made the melon flavor. Idiot. Kind of made the melon flavor on their own with other liquors. So that was good. We started off with ribs, big portion. They had and they were delicious. Fall off the bone, tasty, spicy, sweet. The mushroom appetizer, well, appetizer I guess is a stretch. It was a really big portion. Fried mushrooms, real crispy, real tasty. That was a special. It was not on the menu. They read that to us, so I love that. That was probably my favorite item. And then shrimp toast. I always love shrimp toast, and I was really blown away by the ones here. They were just delicious, really perfect. Crispy on the outside, nice and shrimpy tender on the inside. The one dish that I didn't love was the short rib chow fun. I love chow fun, those big, wide, broad noodles. And I love short rib, but it was just a little sweet. It ate really sweet. The beef itself was super tender and tasty. But against everything else we had, it was just a little bit too sweet. And the other mains that we had some nice dry stir-fried Szechuan style string beans, which were delicious. I could eat those every day. And crispy squid, also really nice. A lot of little crispy crunchies and good stuff in there. Whoa, crazy guy. So yeah, I mean, I will definitely give this place another shot. We'll go back here again. There's a lot of stuff on the menu I want to try. I got to try their dim sum items, like their dumplings and everything. So, you know, as usual, jump out to the website, johnnyprimesteaks.com. Check out the full review, the full write-up, everything. And make sure you like and subscribe. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your fucking grandma.